Do you want to give some tips and hacks to make packaging luxurious yet cost effective?
See, it's a very interesting question because, with a lot of designers, and again, when I say a lot of designers, my reference point is still our early days, because that's where the magic was happening and unfolding for us. People would make the most beautiful jewelry और packaging होता ही नहीं था उनका. I would always say कि नहीं, for a brand to feel like a brand, every element that comes from the brand needs to be a representation of the voice of the brand. आप सिर्फ सुंदर ज्वेलरी नहीं बना के छोड़ सकते हो. आपका पैकेजिंग अच्छा होना चाहिए. ज्वेलरी का सामने जितना सुंदर है उसका पीछे उतना और भी सुंदर होना चाहिए. आपका लॉक सुंदर होना चाहिए. देन जिस बॉक्स में हो, it should be, it's almost like why we all love gifts. Because you get to unpack it, no? Wrapping paper खोलोगे, ribbon खोलोगे. Why they're so excited when they see something beautifully wrapped? It's because there's a sense of euphoria, there's a sense of expectation and anticipation. And that is how packaging should be. That there should be a sense of anticipation. And even when you're buying something for yourself, it's a gift that you're buying for yourself. फिर भी मजा आना चाहिए खोलने में, right? पहले bubble wrap करना पड़ता था because honeycomb packaging was not easily available. So that's very nice because break it से आप बच भी रहे हो. You're also being a little sustainable by staying away from bubble wraps. So honeycomb packaging करो, उसके लिए एक छोटा सा pouch या drawstring वो लाओ. But again, since it's coming from your brand, if you're spending money, spend a little extra for that package to be used in isolation. That package should also double up as your lipstick pouch, should also double up as your makeup pouch, because then it's also a billboard for the brand. If you're able to reuse that packaging for different stuff and it's in your bag, not only are you constantly reminded of that brand, but when you're taking out that bag, oh, that's lovely. And I'm a packaging person, right? Like I'm a packaging and a stationery person. I will buy certain things because I want the packaging. And packaging is actually advertisement. So वो packaging में काम चोरी मत करो. एंड अगेन आज के तारीख में, पहले पैकेजिंग एक्सपेंसिव होता था, आज के तारीख में लाइक यू गो ऑनलाइन, थोड़ा सा इंस्टाग्राम में एल्गोरिथम में डालो, अब यू विल बी फ्लडेड विद एड्स ऑफ हाउ यू हैव वैक्स सील्स अवेलेबल, लिटिल embossing things available. Everything is now easily accessible. तो idea is not to go obnoxiously expensive. You can still take, starting में आप जब यूज़ कर रहे हो, आप फिर भी आप नॉर्मल अपना परफोरेटेड बॉक्सेस या वो ले सकते हो. उस पर डिटेलिंग करो, थोड़ा सा एलिमेंट डालो, मज़ा करो, राइट? लाइक इफ आई हैव टू visually think about it, imagine brown paper with a little red ribbon, there's a little bit of a red seal, little dried flowers, little envelope with a little letter beautifully written. That's it. करने में क्या किया? कुछ भी नहीं किया. But that emotion thing, that's important. And also obviously with the kind of tools that are easily available, before graphic designing was seen as a very expensive space. Now Canva has simplified a lot of stuff for everyone. And while it has simplified a lot of stuff for everyone, it's also taking away a lot of jobs of graphic designers. But what I keep reminding the graphic designer friends that this is the time for them to upgrade. Because at the end of the day, suddenly you're no longer dependent on somebody else to realize it. You have access to those tools to do things yourself. And usme, it's not about, it's again inclusivity. It's not about कि मैंने इस packaging में कितना पैसा डाला. You can आप 1 लाख डालो, 2 लाख डालो, 20 लाख भी डाल सकते हो. But that's not the thing. The idea is if you're doing it with intent, with those little elements, they're sasta and they'll have a better impact.
Thank you for watching my clip. If you want more clips like this, please follow my channel, BSMS India Clips.